Hi, it's Renee. Today we're making zucchini oatmeal cookies with chocolate-covered raisins. First, grate and dry the zucchini. Set it aside until later. Cream the butter and brown sugar together in a large bowl. Next up, add pure vanilla extract and 1 egg. Blend all that to combine. In another large bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 cups of oats. Whisk in the salt, baking soda, ground cinnamon, and grated nutmeg. Now, add the dry ingredients by thirds into the wet ingredients, mixing after each addition. Blend in the prepared zucchini from earlier and the chocolate-covered raisins. Drop the batter onto parchment-lined baking sheets and flatten each cookie slightly before baking. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.